Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we're looking at the new Pixel 9 Pro XL. So I just got this today and I haven't even opened it up yet, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then we're just gonna do a really quick tour around the device. Here's my Pixel 8 Pro. I will be sending this back. Google has really good trade-in deals this year, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. But let's get this open. So this year Google does have some new packaging material. Supposedly they did not use any plastic for their phones this year. So let's check it out. All right, so here's the device, and I don't want to tear it. All right, slide on out, and wow, here it is right here. Pixel 9 Pro in the flesh. So this thing feels pretty light, and I do like how curvy it is. It seems more curvier than my Pixel 8 Pro. Yeah, it is. You can tell. Like the corners are definitely rounded, more rounded, and then you have your power button and volume rocker on the right side. Same spot. Camera bars are definitely different. Don't know which one I like better yet. I do think that this looks a little bit more modern, but I'm not sure if this is a better look just yet. And then on the bottom we have mic and a speaker along with Type-C for charging. And on top you have that same, I think this is like a Wi-Fi or 5G antenna, along with a mic right there on the right side. So yeah, this is it, guys. So this is the Pixel 9 Pro. Just taking a quick tour around it. So again, we got that fancy new camera bar with the Google logo. It does get some fingerprints, and there's the front. And again, that's the bottom of the device, and that's the top. So yeah, very curvy. The slides are flat. I do like that as well. And yeah, that's going to be it, guys, for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up, and I'll do a couple more videos, do some comparisons, and I'll share it online, guys. So stay tuned to the channel. Peace.